Guy's Base, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Our intentional creations and our ideas are thusness, but we have the idea that we ourselves created it, and what we see is like a painting by a master of illusion. The dominion of the Dharma is free of causes and results, but we view the purity of this dominion to be a cause, and we view the purity of our wisdom to be a reward. Some see a vicious and mean burning. Some see burning and darkening. Some see themselves as being in a valley of uncleanness. Some see themselves as being boiled up and down. Some see the earth and the water as a cause and a result. Some see that wars and disputes are vicious. Some see only a blazing jewel that blazes attractively. In reality, there is no eternity. This is like a snake that is on a rope. We purify our purity, and it appears to be pure. Everything is our self-originating awareness. This is why our heart essence is a transmission of self-originating perfection. We put the apparent world into order in our minds. We do not harbor any cravings for ideas. We know that this is a transmission of self-originating secrecy. The clear light of our wisdom is completely pure. It is empty of all our cravings to hold on to ourselves. It is due to the specific quality of our own mind being perfect that any specific quality of our playfulness may appear. They are manifest from ourselves and are gathered into ourselves. Our circle is perfected in one awareness. The meaning that is sure is that without delay we will employ a supreme and uncontrived awareness to understand. The clear light of our ideas will be a heart of knowledge. The uncontrived is shining, just the way that it is. The circle that is profound is the experience of oneness. We are spontaneously perfected, so we are not divided. This is not in words. We are perfected in meaning. Our rude cravings are pure. This is why our wisdom renounces words. This is a space of happiness. All the demarcations of the apparent world, with none excepted, lack any exterior or interior.